MCS Red. I got a video for you guys today on the Blizzard Elite. This is a great entry-level platform for anyone that's trying to get into MagFed. $229. You're gonna get a fixed basic pump handguard, 8-inch barrel, D-Mag Helix magwell, shape projectile ready right out of the box. So you can see your shape projectile bolt there. Also, of course, you have your basic Blizzard, and the most anticipated upgrade and that everyone wants with all of our kits, the rear air option. So you're gonna be able to run your remote line adapter or your air in stock option. There are hundreds of different ways to customize this to your individual play style. There's tons of options for upgrades as far as handguards, stocks, even the optics and everything like that, rail accessories. So you have lots and lots and lots of options for this marker to really grow with you as a player. I'm gonna do a shooting test here. We're gonna do it with some AG1 paint, or orange. Go ahead and air her up. I always like to make sure the charging handle is charged back before I air it up. That way it closes up the valve. Good to go. Take a look at my target up there. Give it a whirl. There you have it. Shooting test of the Blizzard Elite. You can find it on the mcsus.com website. You know where to find us. See you guys out on the field.